damage to first down. Kaya nga nagkaroon ng
my
YSS gold rin kasi pag
back
tinatapos
now.
sa mga scaling gold
My
laners
Sabon
or
is
scaling
fish
marksmen,
now.
alam mo garantisado Mountain Shocker combo will burst
My
down any
Sabon
of the scaling gold laners.
My Sabon is
Pero habang
fish now.
naghihintay nga tayo dun sa clear time at passing ni Justinian sa kanyang YSS, nakapwesto na si Apan para sa turtle objective na ito.
Ito na yung first turtle. Tatlo yung kukuha dito. Ang aga ng talundon for Apan. Ay, mahahabol. Black Dragon form ay malalabas na, but Justinian will take out Apan. Open and hurt ngayon. Nakukuha pa nga dito para sa side ng isang YSS. Will turn it down with Dagvin. And even on the side of the versus time, ako si Laro ngayon. Nalalalim sila ng konti. So, hindi nyo mailipat na district dito. Damage. At tumatanggap ng damage sa mga
At na nga yung masakit kasi kahit gaano ka una-unahang pwesto si Yuzuke dun sa turtle, meron pa rin threat, looming threat talaga ng Black Dragon Form. When Castle went into the Black Dragon Form, kasi you have to expect it and disengage. Alam mo naman kasi as much as you will try for that next battle, alam mo mahirapan ka sa bigayan. Pero ito na nga, kumonek pa nga yung Spatial Migration into that golden hour into 2, tapos magkakasaluhan pa nga ng damage. Connection was intercepted and
Hindi nyo makukuha dito. Dahil hindi papagalahin. Once na naman nila kaya i-contract, hindi ka rin force rin with that social. Then, ibalik mo sa taas dahil yung akin yung magkakalag next.
80 meters was when you discovered
Smart, but definitely
look in a map system. I'm not how it shows that this would have this happen. This harvesting concrete. This one.
Nagagawa nga ng paraan. Dinadive na nga nila si RTD sa
John.
kanyang toy,
Hey.
blazing new weapons, surviving and giving him enough shield to get out of the trying to make sure na hindi na makakakuha ng pero medyo masakit na nga ito kasi we are looking at 301 YSS.
Respond
So you know that it's going to be a threat